Today, we'll be doing an experiment on making a density tower. This is what a density tower looks like. So yeah, let's get started. You can experiment by using ingredients, but these are the ingredients I'm using. Some soap, honey, strawberry syrup, water, some oil, and white milk. You could also use chocolate milk. You also need a tall, clear cup so that you could see what your rainbow tower would look like, and 2 measuring cups. And since I don't have measuring cups, I just took these 2 clear glass cups and I measured them to 2.5 centimeters. So let's put all these things in order. Alright, let's get started. Now we have our first 2 ingredients. Let's pour them in. Now let's do the milk and soap. Now let's pour in the water and then the vegetable oil. So this is how my density tower or rainbow tower looks like at the end. And I don't know if you guys could tell, but the syrup and the honey are separated, but you can't really tell. Now you'll be needing a paper, a piece of plastic, and a rock. Now let's see what happens if we drop the 3 items. Floating. The paper is slowly sinking and the rock sinks straight away. It's down there. In conclusion, the higher the density of a liquid or an object, the more likely it will sink. And the lower density an object or a liquid has, the more likely the object or the liquid will float.